Okay, what I'm showing you here is the Maqueen bot cars. The one in the lead is the version 3 Maqueen using a Microbit version 1. They're doing line tracking, sort of. And you can see this one is the version 4 Maqueen with the Microbit version 2. The code allows them to narrow black line. This is too wide. I had to cut it in thirds lengthwise in order to get a narrow black line, and I think the reason for that is that these sensors are too close together for the wide line. I'm going to put this code in the description of the video, code link. It's not the code that comes with the Maqueen. I had to modify it. I had to slow down the wheel speed in forward, and then adjusting left and right, I had to make one wheel go forward and the other wheel go backward so that it's able to move and sense the black versus white. Probably needs more work. Right now it seems to be working all right.